Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing and basic review of the Canon Vixia HF W11 camcorder. I'm hoping this is going to be the replacement for my GoPro session. As with a camcorder you get an optical zoom. You know, with your GoPro you get a field of view of what you see, and you have to do, zoom in on your software, and then of course you lose resolution. With this camcorder, it's still a 10 megapixel camcorder, but I got a 0 to 40 optical zoom, so I can zoom in 40 times and maintain the resolution. It's just going to be awesome. And of course it also has digital zoom too. With it being an adventure camcorder, it is waterproof, it is shockproof, and it is almost freeze-proof. So it's going to be comparable to the things I can do with my GoPro. It's a little bit bigger, obviously, but it's going to be pretty awesome to make videos. I'm really looking forward to it. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, to begin with the unboxing, let's see what we have. Start off, we have our registration card and our manual in a bazillion languages. Not this way. We have a lens cover. This does not have an automatic lens cover. It does have a removable lens cover and has a little lanyard for it. We have the USB cable. This is a power adapter to micro USB for your power supply, so you can plug it into the power port. And this is your power supply, and it has the mini charging port, which goes to the adapter, which then allows you to go into the USB micro USB port. We have some signal conditioners, one for your AV cable and one for your power cable. Directions are all how to install that. And then we have our camcorder, and it is very small. Let's open this up. This is the first time I'm having it out of the box. Look at this. Set this off to the side. So we have the Canon Vixia HF W11 camcorder. It says it's waterproof to 5 meters, 16.4 feet. Shockproof, 1.5 meters to 4.9 feet. So almost drop this thing from 5 feet and you're probably going to be okay. It is a 40 by optical zoom, full HD, and this the difference between the 10 and the 11, this has 32 megabytes of internal memory. Oh, I'm sorry, 32 gigabytes. Yeah, megabytes is back when I was a kid. So 32 gigabyte of internal memory. Now I did purchase a SanDisk XC 128 gigabyte SD card, so we should have no problem with getting all the video we need on here without having to change memory. We open it up, remove the little protective cover, and you can see, oh, it automatically comes back up and it says set the time and date. It's very small, very nice grip. Just going to adjust it here for my hand. So that is, you can see that is nice and small, fits comfortably. You have the zoom, in and out, in and out. And of course the lens, I believe that's a 37 millimeter lens, and it is has threads, so we can put filters and lens covers on it, so we can get a wide angle lens for it, and sun protection, shade protection. So a lot of options can be added to this, whereas my GoPro, you get what you get again. Not putting down my GoPro. It's been a wonderful camera, and it's the little session cube. So I put it on my motorcycle helmet. We take it everywhere. So I'll still use that as a secondary camera. I'll have it for different angles, and again, it can go underwater just like this can. So if I open it up, so here's your record button, the zoom in, zoom out, and this is how you open it up. There's a latch right here. Allows you to take that way. Pull it all the way out, comes up. Now this is where how you get your waterproof. So that is a gasket that seals very good, and then you have your HDMI, power, and micro USB, and then your SD card slot. And to know, see there's a little red right here. To know you got it sealed, this is how you get your waterproof. You flip that all the way over, and then when that goes black, you know you're sealed. If it's still red, it's not fully engaged. So that is the unboxing and basic setup. What I'm going to do here in just a moment is we'll compare some video footage. I will take it out and point it in the backyard, point it up at the barn, and you'll be able to see what the GoPro sees, and then we'll look at the screen and see what this sees, full field of view and then zoomed in. We'll do that here in just a moment. Okay, we're outside. We're going to take a look up at the barn from the house, and we'll see what the GoPro sees as compared to what the Canon sees. And I'll let you see the screen here, and hopefully it won't reflect too much, and I'll zoom in and zoom out. It has multiple levels of image stabilization. Of course, when you get 40 times optical, it's kind of hard to hold it steady, but if I had it on tripod, it'd be perfect. So you're going to see some hard to focus because it's trying to stabilize. One other feature I didn't mention before, besides this thing being waterproof, is it has a built-in LED light. So it has built-in illumination. So if you ever had your GoPro out and you couldn't see anything, you hope you can have a backlight or something, but this thing has a built-in LED light, and it's actually pretty bright too. And then it has built-in wind protection, automatic, and different levels of it, and zoom microphone. So you can, when you zoom in with your camera, the microphone will increase its sensitivity level, and then when you back out, it will low down. So there's all kinds of different features here, and we'll get into that when I do the in-depth review. Right now it's just the unboxing and basic review. So let's see what we have. So you see the barn, and hopefully you can see the barn here. Again, I'll up what you see and what this sees. Okay, now let me zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in to the chickens. There's a chicken in the coop there. See? Of course, I'm shaking like crazy. Keep zooming. There's our owl. Alright, so that's 40 by zoom. Of course, if I had it on tripod, it would stay focused and be clear. And you can see the tractor. So, and all the way back out. So, compare. And here. You can see if I go up to the blue of the sky, tilt it down, it lightens up. There's all different types of brightness settings and for facial and just all kinds of great things. So I will transfer this video over and let you compare and see what it looked like coming through here. I hope everyone enjoyed the unboxing and basic review of the Canon HF W11 Adventure Camcorder. I'll have a more detailed review of it coming up very soon. Have a blessed day. Go RidgeLife.